Hi everyone, I'm Wilson from Rezt and Relax. Let me share with you what have we done up in this District 10 Victoria Park. As you can see, this is a big family area where the owner will spend most of his time with the kids. Basically, we'll design a nice entertainment room for the owner to have the relaxed time here. Welcome to the living area. So in this piece of wall, we're going to design something that's very modern and very clean cut. This is the master bedroom in the second story. We're going to design a bedhead area with a side table and a feature wall. So this is the room for the girls that the owner is going to have a study area here. We'll design a feature wall with a big side cabinet in the guest room. In Rezt and Relax, we believe once a customer, always a customer.